In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add social media icons to Wix. We are going to do this directly inside the Wix editor, and the process is very simple once you know where to find the right option. Social media icons are a useful way to connect your website visitors with your social profiles, and adding them can make your site look more complete and professional. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you are on the page where you want the social media icons to appear. This could be your homepage, footer, header, or any section where visitors can easily find them. Choosing a visible location is a good idea because it makes it easier for people to connect with your brand on other platforms. Once your site is open in the editor, go to the left sidebar and click the plus icon, which is the Add Elements button. This is where Wix keeps many of the visual items you can place on your website, including buttons, images, text, and social elements. After that, click Social. This will open the section that contains social media display options. Here you will see different social bar styles. These styles control how your icons look on the page, so take a moment to choose one that matches the design of your website. Some styles are simple and minimal, while others are more colorful or decorative. When you find the style you want, drag it onto your page and place it in the area where you want the icons to appear. You can always move it later if needed, so do not worry about making it perfect on the first try. Next, click Set Social Links on the floating menu that appears near the social bar. This is the section where you connect each icon to your actual social media profile. Click each icon one by one and add the correct URL for the profile you want visitors to open. Be sure to paste the full link carefully so each icon sends people to the right place. When you have added all of your social profile links, click Done to save your changes. At this point, your icons should be connected and ready to use inside the editor. Finally, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. This is the last step, and it ensures that your visitors can see and use the new social media icons. That covers everything you need to know.